All right, let's go. All right, so Jameer said subtract 3 from 15 means 15 take away 3. And when we do 15 take away 3, what's our answer?
12.
12. Good job. So here you should have 12. Harry, what number did we just finish? Harry, what number did we just solve? What number is that? What number am I on? Number 2. I want you to speak up. What number? Number 2. Good job. Good job. Good job. 6 to show him some love. Good job. Good job. Snaps. All right. For number 3. For number 3, can I have somebody read number 3?
How many 2's make 12?
How many 2's make 12? That's a great question. In a second, how many 2 make 12? I want somebody to tell me what does that mean. Don't tell me the answer yet.
Count by 2's.
Count by 2's until
12.
you get to 12. Ava, do you want to build on that? What would you say?
I think it's 6.
You think it's 6. Well, how do you know it's 6? 6 is the right answer. Well, tell me, how do you know it's 6?
10.
One more.
No, 12.
12, right? And how many spaces did you count?
6.
6 times, right? So that means 2 can go into 12 6 times. So our answer here for number 3 is 6.
Number 4 is 300 plus 15.
Enough?
No. 15 plus 4 equals 350.
All right. So number 4, before your answer, it says 300 plus dash plus 4 equal 354. We're trying to figure out what the dash is. This box. We're trying to figure out what number goes in here. I want somebody else besides Jameer. Jameer and Ava's been answering questions.
What 6's?
6 2's.
Did you say happy birthday to Jaden yesterday?
It was her birthday?
Yeah.
I didn't get a chance. I will though when I see her. I'm going to wish her.
He's coming tomorrow.
Oh no. Well,
It's his birthday.
oh no. Whenever I see him, I'll make sure I wish him a happy birthday.
I will
But,
find him if he's here.
all right, I appreciate that. All right, let's get back to what we're doing. 6 2's. For number 4, how do we know what the answer is for number 4? Right? How do we know what the number is for number 4? How do we know what goes here? We have 300 plus dash, right? Plus 4 equal 354. What are you gonna say? Anybody else?
You have to.
Plus 50. How do you know? How do you know this is gonna be 50? How do you know that?
Do 5 3 plus 2.
Okay, that's a good guess. That's a good guess. 6's, what do you think? How do we know 50 goes in? Because you're right. This is 50. Well, how do we know that? Please speak up. Say again. That's where it belongs, all right? That's a good one. I like that. 50 definitely belongs here. Jameer, tell us, how do we know that 50 goes in here?
Because so it says 350. So it says so it's a point. So 100's 10s and 1s. So the 5 is a 10 and
So it's 50, all right? Guys, every one of you is right. The answer is 50. And not only are you right, Ava, are you with us? Sean, Alexis, can you hear me? Not only are you right, there are multiple ways to get that answer, right? We can do, what is 300 plus 4?
304.
304. We can do 354, take away 304. What do we get?
150.
50. So that's how we came up with 50. So,
Or the count, or just so it says, so 300 hundreds TVs, tens and fours ones. No, twos are 5 in the middle. So it's 5, so it's 50, tens, so that means 50.
absolutely, absolutely. Good job, good job. Number 5. We've done number 5 plenty of times. We've done questions like this plenty of times. MC knows this because he goes to the grocery store, he buys things in the grocery store, whatever he likes, and he gets change. So he knows how to add up all the money he has to know if he has the correct change. Right, Sean? Right. So who can tell me how much are all of this? Somebody said 41. All right, we'll take a guess. 41. Anybody else? 41 as well? You agree 41? 6 twos. Where's 6 twos? 6 twos. Can you tell us how much is all of this? Did you do this? What did you get? 41 as well. Okay, 3 people agreed with 41. Henry, what do you think? What do you think the answer to this one is? 41 as well. Good job. So 4 people agreed it's 41. Alexis, what do we think the answer of this is? Okay. What do we think? 41 as well. All right. Let me turn this off for a second. I'll turn it back now. All right. Great job. Great job. 41 as well. But 41 is the right answer, class, right? I just have a question. How do we figure out, Jimmy, are you listening? How do we figure out that this is 41?
So you know what dimes are on the tens, right?
Right.
So 3 dimes, that means 30. And so with 2 nickels, that's 5 cents. So that makes 2 nickels, that makes 10. And a penny is 1 cent.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So 30, 10, 1.
Absolutely. So what are we doing? What order of operation are we doing?
So count all these first. So count all these coins first and make an opposite number. That makes 3. 3 times is 30.
Yes.
2 nickels equals 10.
10. That's 40.
1 penny, that means
41.
yeah.
Okay. So 41 what? Is this $41 or what?
41 cents.
41 cents. So guys, don't forget. You have to put the right unit. You have to put the right sign. $41 is different from 41 cents. Very different. All right. What's the next question?
6. What's the next number?
What is the next number? This is a good one. So we have 58. What's the next number? Ava, tell me. What number is this? 60. Okay. Henry, tell me, what number is this? 62. 62. Tell me, what number is this? 64. Alexis in the back. Tell me, what number is this? 66. Good job. Sean, what number is this? What number is this? It's right there, Sean. It's on your paper as well. 68, right? So what do we notice about all of these numbers?
So it's a pattern.
It's a pattern, right? But hold on. Jameer is not the only person in this class. MC, look at all of these numbers. What do we notice about them? MC's not sure. Okay. Sean, look at all of these numbers. What do we notice about them? Okay. You know, let's speak up because we're not the only person in this class. I want you to speak up high enough so that Henry over there in the corner can hear you. Alexis, what do we notice about all of these numbers? It goes up by 2 every time, right? Ava, do you agree that these numbers are going up by 2? Right? So if this goes from 58 to 60 to 62 to 64 to 66 to 68, Alexis, you said it goes up by 2. What is the next number going to be? Alexis, you said it goes up by 2, right? What's the next number going to be? 70, right? Because 68 plus 2 equals 70. All right? Everybody should have 70 on their papers. I'm going to come around to make sure you have the right answers. Number 7 is 49. Okay, well, we're going to get to number 7 in a second, but I want to go around and make sure everybody has number 1 to 6 written down. All right, good job, Junior. Henry, good job. Nice, you fixed it. 6s, you're right, it is amazing. Good job. Alexis has it correct. Great job. Ava, you're doing awesome. Good job. All right, we got to put the cell phones away. We have to put the cell phones away. All right. If you don't have a pencil, I don't want you to just sit around. You have to ask. And I'll bring you pencils. All right. Let's move on to number 7. 6-2 is ready for number 7. 6-2. What I want you to do is read number 7 for us. That's good, but can we do it a little louder? What number is 10 more than 39? Can somebody explain to me what does that question mean? Before giving me the answer. I know you guys know the answer, but tell me, explain that question for me. Anybody? What does it mean when it says, what number is 10 more than 39?
10 plus 39.
10 plus 39. But what's the key word? How do we know it's plus?
Because
Look at the question. What tells you it's plus in the question?
so what is number 39? That means some number is more than 39.
More is the key word. And what does more mean? Plus, right? What else does more mean? If something is more, what happens? If something is more, what happens? Henry, you know this. If something is more, what happens? If something is less, what does that mean? 6-2. If something is less, what does it mean? You're subtracting, yes. It means it's getting smaller, right? If something is more, what does it mean? Add, meaning it's getting bigger, right? So like Jamila said, the key word here is more. So we're gonna have 39 plus what? Ava, 39 plus what? 10. And what is 39 plus 10? 49. Great job. So if you have 49 on your paper, you're going to get 100% on that question. Sean, what was your answer for this? 49. Sean has it right. You got it right as well? Great job. You guys are doing amazing today. I love the energy. I love the participation level. I love the focus. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. All right? 6-2 is speaking up. Jameer is answering questions. Ava is curious. Alexis is working hard. You know, Sean is taking his time. Jada in the back is also writing. I love what I see. All right.